In this video, we'll find the missing interior and exterior angles of regular polygons. We will apply this to different polygons from triangle to hexagons, and we will use these two formulas. The sum of interior angles of a polygon equal n minus 2, the whole thing multiplied by 180 degrees, where here n is the number of the sides or the number of angles of the polygons. For example, here we have three side polygon, or we have three angles here, so we have to put here 3. Here we have 4 sides polygon, so we have to put here 4. We have here 5 sides polygon, so we have to put 5. And here we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 side polygons, so here we have to put 6. And the second formula, which is the sum of exterior angles of a polygon equal 360 degrees. And we know that the exterior angles is the angles outside the polygon. For example, here is the outside of the polygon is here, and this angle form when you extend one of its sides. So here we extend this side, so this is exterior angle. Here we have extend this side, so here is the exterior angle. Here we have extend this side, so here is the exterior angle. Here we have extend this side, so here we have exterior angle. And we know the regular polygon, all of the angles are equal and all of the sides are equal, and also all of the exterior angle, of course it will be also equal, because this angle equal to this and equal to each angles here. So the exterior angle, by extending one side, it will be formed as linear pair. So let's say here we extend this side. So of course here it should be the same as here, because these two angles form a linear pair. So the sum of this straight angle is 180 degrees. Since this one equal to this one, so of course this one it will be equal to this one. So that's why these each exterior angle for regular polygon are equally. So if we want to find, for example, one of the exterior angle, we have to divide it by the number of the side. For example, here we have 6 sides polygon, so we have to divide 360 degrees by the number of the exterior angles. So here we have 6 exterior angles, so we have to divide by 6. So either you can find this formula or this formula. So we will apply these two rules in this one, and you will see how can we use these two formula. So let's say you want to find this x. So to find this x, since these angles are equal, you can say that the sum, you can use this formula, the sum of interior angles, this plus this plus this, divided by 3. Why it's divided by 3? Because these angles are equal. It's like you have 9 and you want to divide it equally to 3 people, so you can give 3, 3, 3. It's like here. So you have to divide the sum by the number of the angles. We know that the sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees, but we will apply this formula. So here we have to substitute here 3. So 3 minus 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 180 degrees. 3 minus 2, it's equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 180 degrees, so it will be 180 degrees divided by 3, which is here 18 divided by 3, which is 6, and you put here 0. How to find y? As we know, y equal this y, it's equal 180 degrees because this is a straight angle. Here these two angles are linear pair, minus this x. We know this x is equal to 60, this one equal to 60, this one equal to 60, this one equal to 60, because each of these are equally. So here we have to put 60 equal 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, so it will be 120 degrees. So the answer here for this one, it will be 120 degrees. Or the other way to find these two angles, by saying like this: y equal, you can find this y by using this formula, which is 360 degrees divided by 3, because here we have 3 exterior angle. If you extend this side, you will get here exterior angle. If you extend this side, you will get here exterior angle. So divided by 3 here, it will be 36 divided by 3, which is 12, and you put here 0. So you find this y exactly the same as this one. So you can see here this y, here this y equal to this. Now you can find this x. This x, if you find this y, you can find this x by saying 180 degrees minus this 120, because this angle equal 180 degrees. So you have to say 180 degrees minus this 120 degrees, which is 60 degrees. So it will be this here 60, the same as this 60, this x, and here this x. So it's very simple to find this angle and this angle, either like this or like this. Or you can find this x by using this formula, and this y you can find it by this formula. So you can find it like this. So either way, it will be fine. But the easiest way to find, I prefer to say, to find this y, then you find this x. But it's logically for you maybe to find this formula, then this formula, or this formula, then you have to say y equal to this. Now let's find this interior angle, and let's find this exterior angle for this four-side polygon. Now let's find this x. How to find this x? Let's find first the sum of interior angles of this polygon. So the sum equal n minus 2 multiply by 180 degrees equal, here we have to substitute 4 because here we have 4 angles. So let's write here 4. So 4 minus 2 equal 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. So it will be 360 degrees. Now to find x equal the sum divided by the number of the angles. So here it will be 4. The sum is 360 degrees divided by 4. We know 36 divided by 4, which is 9. And here we have to put 0. Then here the degrees. So x equal 90 degrees. How to find y? As we know, this is a straight angle. So it will be 180 degrees minus this x, which is 90 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, so it will be 90 degrees. So this shape, it will be a square, because here 90, here 90, here 90, which we know that the property of the square, that each angle is 90 degrees and all the sides are equal. So you can find it like this, or you can find y equal 360 degrees, because we know that the sum of exterior angles of any polygons is 360 degrees, because it represents as a full circle. So that's why here 360 degrees divided by the number of the side, or the number of the angles. Here we have 4, so that's why here we have 4. This 360 degrees, we took it from here. So here 36 divided by 4, which is 9, and here we have to put 0, then here the degrees. So either you can find it like this, or you can find it like this, which is the same. Then of course, if you want to find the first y, then x, then you of course you can find x by saying 180 degrees minus y, which is 90 degrees. Then you will find it as 90 degrees as before. So it will be here this y, this y is exactly the same as this, and the interior angles, which is here x, is 90. The same thing here is 90. Now, before to start to solve this one, let's visually to see why the sum of the exterior angle is 360 degrees. So for example here, let's extend. So since we extend this side like this, then we extend this side like this. Then we extend this side like this. Then we extend this side like this. So let's visually to see why this 360 degrees. So you can see this angle, it's look like this. So let's draw it here. It look like this. Then this angle, it's look like this. So it will be here like this. Then this angle in orange, it will be like this. So it will be like this. Then in gray, it will be like this. So here it will be like this. So you can see it represent as a full circle. So that's why here we have 360 degrees, because it represents as a full circle. Now let's find the interior and exterior angles of this pentagon. Here I will not find x then y, I will find y then x. So let's find y. Y equal, we know y is the exterior angle, so we have to write 360 degrees because this is a regular polygon, so that's why we divided by the number of the angles. Here we have 5 angles, so here we have to divide it by 5 equal. We can find this answer easily by splitting the numerator here. We can say that 300 degrees plus 60 degrees divided by 5 equal. So here it will be 300 degrees divided by 5 plus 60 degrees divided by 5 equal. Here this, it's like 30 divided by 5, which is 6, and we put here 0, plus 60 divided by 5, which is 12 degrees. So the answer will be 72 degrees. So y here, it's equal to 72 degrees. Now how to find this x? Simply we can say x equal 180 degrees, because this is a straight angle, minus 72, which is 108 degrees. So we found first y then x. So of course here either you can find it like this, or you find it by the rules, which is x equal to the sum divided by the number of angles, which is here 5, and we know the sum here. Let's find here the sum of the interior angles, which is the same as this rule here. So here we have to put here n minus 2 multiply by 180 degrees equal n equal 5. 5 minus 2 equal 3. 3 multiplied by 180 degrees, which is 540 degrees. Here we have to put here 540 degrees divided by 5. The same thing, we can split it like this, but I will make it faster here. It will be like 500 degrees divided by 5 plus 40 divided by 5. So here this 5 divided by 5, which is 1, and we put 0, 0, plus 40 divided by 5, which is 8. So the answer is 108 degrees. So the answer of this x is equal 108 degrees, which is the same as here. So this angle here, this x, the same as this x. So x here is the same as here, and the same thing for y. Here we found y equal like this, and if you want to find y, you can say 180 degrees minus this, it will give you 72. Now let's find the last example, which is here hexagon. Here this hexagon, we can find the same as before, the sum equal the sum of interior angles, which is n minus 2 multiply by 180 degrees, and we know here n is 6, so 6 minus 2, which is 4, multiply by 180 degrees, it will be 720 degrees. Now to find the x here, we can find like this: x equal the sum of interior angles divided by the number of the angles here, which is 6, so the sum here is 720 divided by 6 equals 720 divided by 6. It's like 600 degrees divided by 6 plus 120 divided by 6. So here this 6 divided by 6, 100, plus 12 divided by 6, which is 2, and here we have to put 0. So the answer will be 120 degrees. Now to find y, simply you can say 180 degrees. So here this x here is equal 120 degrees. So each x is 120 degrees. So 180 degrees, because this is as a straight angle, minus this x. So here 120. So 180 minus 120, which is 60 degrees. So we found this y. or you can find y by using the formula, which is the sum of exterior angle divided by the number of angles if it is regular polygons. So 360 degrees divided by 6, because here we have 6 angles, 6 exterior angle we can form. So 36 divided by 6, which is 6, and you put 0 here, so 60 degrees. So exactly as this y. So here, this x, we found it as 120 degrees, and y, we found it exactly either in this way or in this way. So that's it. I hope this video illustrates clearly how you can find the missing interior and exterior angle of regular polygons, as we have done plenty of examples from triangle to hexagons. If you find this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more math videos. Feel free to comment below if you have any question or suggestion about this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.